This is a guide to installing the simple Tommy Dock system. In this video, we explain the installation without using our Tommy Dock's flotation log, auger wrench, or winch leveling system to show you the simplicity of installing using basic household tools and another person to assist. These accessory install items are available for purchase from our website as well as our retail partners. Now that your cedar dock kit and aluminum frame kits are assembled, it's time to install the dock. We have decided to start from the shoreline with the cedar dock section as it tends to take the most foot traffic. The tools needed to complete this project are a drill with a 1/2 inch drill bit, a level, a 3/4 inch socket, 3/4 inch speed wrench or cordless drill with socket. Start with the dock bracket. The hardware for each bracket can be found inside the pipe sleeve. Simply remove the orange cap and you will find the packet of hardware inside. Grab your cordless drill with 1/2 inch drill bit. Line up your first bracket and drill a hole. Note that drilling is only necessary for the first time installation. Insert a bolt with a nut on the underside. Note that the washer is installed on the inside portion of the bracket. Use your wrench on the underside to hold the nut in place and your 3/4 inch socket wrench to tighten until secure. After tightening down the brackets, you may now add the dock pipe and estimate the depth needed to start off the shoreline. In this instance, we've decided that the first set of dock pipe will use a standard 8-inch foot pad. Notice that we've tightened the foot pad with a 9/16 inch socket or wrench approximately 4 to 6 inches from the bottom of the pipe. This allows the pipe to sink into the hard sediment just enough to prevent movement with use. It is also recommended that you use pavers or cement block for a sturdy base to start the dock off. In this case, we've stacked 12 by 12 inch pavers right at the water line. We recommend that you level your dock as you continue to install sections. To do this, simply loosen the pipe bolt and adjust your dock until the dock is perfectly level. Tighten the pipe bolt to secure. For the easiest leveling of our dock, you may want to purchase our winch leveling system online or in a participating retail store. On this waterfront, we have a nice sand base and a slow slope into the water. We've decided to install the dock by foot for speed. If you would prefer to stay out of the water or are in an area where the water drops off quickly, you may want to purchase our flotation log to float the sections out one at a time. Drop your next dock section into the bracket and latch to secure. The second section we've decided to use the auger foot. This allows us to auger into the sediment. Attach the auger to the base of the pipe using a wrench. We have a hard sand base in this situation, so we do not need to add a foot pad above the auger. Using a pipe wrench, we auger into the sediment approximately 18 inches. For those looking for an easier solution, you may want to purchase an auger wrench online or at a participating retail store. Once installed, simply add your drop-in panels and secure them in place by rotating the plastic latch 1/4 turn until it seats under the aluminum frame. Should you have more dock sections, proceed to your desired length, depth, and design. We hope you love your new Tommy Dock and that you, your family, and your friends enjoy years of fun making memories. Feel free to visit our website at tommydocks.com or call in toll-free at 866-675-1880 for more information, products, or to speak to a customer service representative.